What is Boyle's law? Boyle's law describes the push and pull relationship between the pressure and volume of a gas. It tells us that as long as the temperature stays the same, pressure and volume are inversely proportional. In this example, it's explained that the pressure and volume of a gas move in opposite direction. When temperature stays the same, when the piston moves down, the volume decreases, crowding the gas molecules into a smaller space and causing them to hit the walls more often, which increase the pressure. When the piston moves up, the volume increases, giving the molecules more room to move. This results in fewer collisions against the container walls, which decreases the pressure shown on the gauge. Essentially, the less space the gas has, the higher the pressure becomes. More space equals less frequency, meaning the gas particles collide with the container walls less often. The variables, pressure or P, is the force and gas exerts on the walls of its container. The volume or V is the amount of space occupied by gas. And lastly, the temperature or T is this must remain constant for Boyle's law to apply. Now we're going to talk about the formula. The formula for Boyle's law: P1 times B1 equals to P2 times B2. P1 and V1 are the initial pressure and volume. P2 and V2 are the pressure and volume after a change occurs. Problem. Example. A gas occupies 4.0 liters at 2.0 atmospheres. What will the volume if the pressure increases to 4.0 atmospheres? P1 times B1 equals to P2 times B2.20 times 4.0 over 4.0 is equals to the first. You're going to multiply the 2.0 and 4.0 after that. Divide it into 4.0 and the answer will be equal to V2. The answer is 2.0 to increase the volume of the pressure.